Hello everybody, welcome back to this course on cultures from around the world. Now we have travelled to Nepal, to the Sherpa region, and this week we're talking all about food. Now there are several Nepalese dishes which are extremely important, but the one that I'm sitting in front of today is called dal bhat, and this is the most common food dish in the entire country for one particular reason. It is packed with every single bit of nutrition that the human body needs to endure these huge mountains. Now, dal meaning this lentil-based soup here, and bhat meaning rice, this actually comes from China and India. Rice was first harvested and domesticated in China in 7000 BC. And dal was cultivated in India. Nepal is trapped between India and China, and therefore the Nepalese put these two ingredients together to make dal bhat. Now, this dish comes on a tray just like this, and as you can see, there's an arrangement of food here. We have the dal, we have the rice, we also have some chicken here for protein, we have green beans and potato, some spinach which is harvested locally, some pickle here, mango pickle, and we have these two wonderful poppadoms and a little bit of bread. And what we do is we just take a bit of lime, squirt it over the top to give it a bit of flavour. This is onion, the most common vegetable on the planet, and this is mullah, a local delicacy which tastes delicious. Now the way it's eaten is very unique. Now, obviously everybody has two hands. The left hand in Nepal is for using the bathroom, so we don't use this hand. We use the right hand to make sure it's always clean. And what happens is we actually mix the ingredients like this. We take a little bit of chicken, we take a little bit of rice, we take a little bit of mango chutney, we mix it together in our hands just like this, and then using our fingers, we take a nice tasty bite. Now this recipe has been in Nepal for hundreds if not thousands of years and powers the Sherpa people as they travel up and down the mountains. This week, what we want you to do is think about the culture that you have chosen and research the food that the local people eat and why they eat it. And maybe you can even write your own recipe and make a dal bhat in your classroom. See you all next week.